you like?
I cannot lie.
Tell the truth.
You can cook a little bit the onion before you put it on a pizza. That is very...
But Indians eat raw onions. So this is Indian flavors. This is for Indians.
Yes, this is brown. This is for Indians.
Yes.
Indians go to Domino.
Huh?
Indians go to Domino. Go to Domino.
Because we like spiciness in the pizza. We like raw onions in with non-vegetarian. So especially chicken.
Ogni masticata è una sofferenza, perché tu non sai se schiacciare con i tuoi denti una cipolla cruda che sia un po' intristita col calore, o dei frammenti di pollo che non si capisce che un pezzo sia pollo, è tipo una pasta di pollo con le spezie. L'idea buona è la farcitura di formaggio interna che rende pesante tutto quanto, ma almeno è...
We love the explosion of the cheese inside.
That is the only thing that...
And we could ask for extra layer. I forgot to ask cheese on top. Usually cheese on top is like when you eat.
This chicken is... oh wow.
You like the chicken?
It's not chicken.
That is chicken, Giacomo. This is chicken. See, this is chicken.
No. So this is chicken.
They make they grind the small piece. Otherwise,
They grind the small piece.
yeah. But you know the tandoor chicken was better because there was pieces of
Era meglio
chicken.
l'altra pizza.
Ah, ciao.
Questi sono tre differenti pezzi di cibo.